it's a litigation case, I can't.
You can't do anything.
There's nothing I can do except try to steer my client in the right direction, but if the other party's not cooperating, there's nothing I can do. I just have to watch it happen. And that's just all there is. In mediation, I can keep them focused. And that's not happening because it's like I'm focusing on putting something together for the kids. And I'm always talking about, okay, how are we going to work this for the kids? What's this going to look like? What do the kids do? What is has been your daily routine? What do your holidays look like? So I'm always trying to keep it so that however we're working with the kids, we're working in a way that's how are they going to spend the most time with both of you that's going to be quality time and you both get to enjoy them. And, so it's really keeping them, I can keep them focused. But in litigation, I can't do that. And I just kind of stand back and watch. Because if the other attorney's not going to cooperate in helping make this work, it's just not going to happen.
So it sounds like between mediation and litigation, the litigation process really promotes adversarial behavior.
Absolutely.
Versus the mediation where people really are working. Can you say more about that? Can you talk about what litigation does versus mediation?
They're diametrically opposed. Litigation is automatically war-related. If you're going into court, you've got one side stuck in their point, one side stuck in their point, and they want somebody to decide because by God they're right. So instead of spending your time working to hear both sides and really kind of feathering out, okay, it's usually somewhere in the middle anyway. But if you can feather people out and try and help them weed out the emotional pieces in mediation, you can bring them together. In litigation, you're automatically setting up a scenario that can't happen because you're already pitting them against each other. And if they're so intent on winning, they're never going to make any compromises to come to the middle. They're always going to be fighting to win.